Imagine this. The crisp morning air gently brushes your face as you step out onto the bustling streets of London. The city awakens around you. It's an orchestra of sounds, from the distant tolling of Big Ben to the soft murmur of the Thames and the harmonious cacophony of city life. Welcome to the symphony that is a London walk. Embark on this journey through the heart of London. The city tells 1,000 tales through its architecture, its parks, its monuments, and its people. It's a story that unfolds with each step you take, enveloping you in its rich tapestry of history and culture. Feel the cobblestones beneath your feet as you stroll down the historic streets of the East End, where the whispers of the past echo around every corner. The aroma of freshly baked bread wafts from a nearby bakery, a subtle reminder of the city's vibrant culinary scene. Now, imagine turning a corner and finding yourself in the heart of Covent Garden. Here, the city's pulse quickens. The rhythm of street performers, the lyrical chatter of market vendors, and the soft rustling of leaves in the breeze fills the air. From here, the journey takes you westward towards the grandeur of Buckingham Palace. The majestic structure stands tall, a testament to the city's regal past. The changing of the guard, a pageantry of precision and discipline, is a sight to behold, a dance choreographed to the beat of time. You then find your way to the serene banks of the River Thames. The city's lifeblood, it has borne witness to London's transformation from a Roman outpost to a global metropolis. The iconic London Eye looms in the distance, its silhouette reflected in the tranquil waters of the river. The journey ends in the verdant oasis of Hyde Park. Here, the city's rhythmic hum gives way to the tranquil symphony of nature. The rustling leaves, the chirping birds, and the soft whispers of the wind provide the perfect serenade to end this walk. In just a few hours, the London Walk has taken you through centuries, across cultures, and into the heart of one of the world's most vibrant cities. It's a sensory feast, a tapestry of sights, sounds, and smells, a testament to the city's enduring charm and dynamic spirit. In essence, this walk through London is more than just a journey. It's an experience that encapsulates the city's soul. It's an immersive exploration of history, culture, and urban life, a snapshot of London's past, a glimpse of its present, and a hint of its exciting future. So, as the sun sets on this London walk, remember the sights you've seen, the sounds you've heard, the aromas you've smelled. Remember the feel of London beneath your feet and the taste of the city in the air. Remember the journey. Remember the experience. Remember London.